We have developed a comprehensive trading strategy for the OTC market trading with Olymp Trade. Our method involves executing trades with a duration of just 1 minute, using the power of 3 exponential moving averages to guide our decisions. These moving averages are set with specific parameter settings of 10, 24, and 37. By having these precise parameters, we gain a thorough understanding of market trends and can accurately predict when a reversal is likely to occur, allowing us to make informed and timely trading decisions. This strategy provides full market insight, enabling us to maximize our chances of success in this fast-paced trading environment. I will show you how we will trade using this strategy. Take a look at this chart. Our 3 exponential moving averages are distant and smoothly trending upwards. Here's a trick: whenever there's a sudden upward movement, ensure it aligns with the 3 moving averages, as this is the best spot for a reversal. This strategy is intended for 1-minute trading. Let's trade going down on it. As we can see, the trend is rising. We will use the martingale method to recover our previous trade. Let's triple our trade here and hope for the best to become profitable. We lost our first trade, but the trend went down, and we won 3 trades versus 1. We still came out ahead. Let's continue trading and find reliable spots to trade. Take a look at this. We got 3 EMA, which are distant from each other, and might be going for reversal here, since it creates a reversal at this spot. Let's trade up on this. The trend is on downtrend, but it is easy to spot here by relying on the 3 lines of EMA. Unfortunately, we got a losing trade. But anyway, we will continue to trade and have you some of the basic tricks in using this trading method. Another trading instance here. Whenever all of our 3 lines are squeezing in, by crossing each of it going upward, there's a high possibility that the trend will go higher for the rest of 30 seconds to 1 minute. This is based on the strength of previous chart. Let's trade up on this. Watch the rest of the video and don't forget to follow us for more great trading strategies like this, trading with Olymp Trade platform. A good spot here. The 3 lines are distant and a reversal pattern here. A better spot to trade going up.